In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export PPT to PDF in WPS Office Mobile. Welcome to the channel, and let us jump straight into the tutorial. In this video, I will walk you through a simple and reliable way to turn your presentation into a PDF file using WPS Office Mobile. This process is helpful when you need to share slides in a format that looks the same on any device and is easy to view or send. To begin, open WPS Office Mobile and make sure your presentation file is already open on the screen. Once the presentation is loaded, take a moment to review your slides so you know exactly what you want to export. When you are ready, look toward the top left corner of the screen and click File. This is where you will find the options related to saving and exporting your document. After clicking File, select the option that says Export to PDF. This will open the export settings where you can control how your presentation is converted. One of the first things you can adjust here is the export range. This allows you to choose whether you want to export the entire presentation or only specific pages. Selecting the correct range is useful if you only need certain slides instead of the full file. You will also see an option to change the save path. By default, the converted PDF will be saved automatically, but you can choose a different location if you want easier access later. Taking a moment to set the save path can help you stay organized, especially if you work with many files. In the export settings, there is also an option to change the PDF type. You can keep it as a common PDF, which is suitable for most situations. There is also an image PDF option available, but this feature requires a paid subscription. If you do not have access to that, you can simply continue with the standard PDF option without any issues. Once you have finished adjusting the settings, click Export to PDF. WPS Office Mobile will then process the file and convert your presentation into a PDF. After the process is complete, your PDF will be saved to the location you selected and ready to use. This method is straightforward and efficient, making it easy to share presentations in a professional format. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.